Alkaptonuria is a rare metabolic disorder where there is a defective metabolism of phenylalanine and tyrosine. In the metabolic pathway, phenylalanine and tyrosine leads to formation of homogentisic acid. Now this homogentisic acid is converted into mallyl acetoacetate by an enzyme known as homogentisate 1,2-dioxygenase. But if somehow there is a deficiency of this enzyme, then that can lead to accumulation of homogentisic acid within the body. Now this accumulated homogentisic acid, which is far beyond its normal value, goes and gets excreted out in the urine. Now urine containing homogentisic acid, if left out in the air, it turns dark in color due to oxidization of the homogentisic acid. In the body, the homogentisic acid gets converted into benzoquinones, and benzoquinones lead to formation of ochronotic pigments. These ochronotic pigments get deposited into the cartilages of the body, as in pinna, the collagen containing parts like sclera, and in the joint cartilages and intervertebral discs. All this is known as ochronosis. In the joints, ochronotic pigment deposition leads to formation of arthritis, which is also known as ochronotic arthritis. Now, if we talk in terms of the clinical features of this disease, the entire molecular biochemistry involved over here is deficiency of homogentisic acid 1,2-dioxygenase, which is present in the 3q21 to 3q23 region of chromosome number 3 and has an autosomal recessive inheritance pattern. Now, if we talk about clinical features of this disease, clinical features will be very simple. When it initially occurs in the children, it is asymptomatic. Later on, in adults, it leads to dark urine on standing in air. Apart from that, it leads to ochronosis, that is darkening of different body parts, and finally it leads to ochronotic arthritis. The treatment also targets two parts: decreasing the homogentisic acid production and reducing the pain of ochronotic arthritis. So the treatment will involve pain medication or pain management for arthritis, which is symptomatic treatment, and restricting tyrosine and phenylalanine in the diet, so that your less amount of homogentisic acid is produced.